what statement I said that I will suspend the doctor, the question doesn't arise because till today, I have not yet moved any note of suspension of the doctor, and I have no intentions of moving. Many times you take action, sometimes you say it in anger because you don't want anybody in the state of God to be deprived of any kind of medical treatment in the hour of need. You must understand that my parents also, I have given them treatment in Goa Medical College only. My mother, I have always said, is that Dr. Atul, who was in Sanklim, saved her life when she was suffering, she was undergoing her treatment of cancer. You have to understand one thing, that a person like me who is very appreciative of my doctors, there's no question, but when you bring a cause to me to say that a patient has been deprived of any kind of treatment, I've been seeing in the last 24 hours, तुम्ही 48 hours म्हणून सांगले, 24 hours, काल वचून आयज आयला. काल सकाळी हांव आशिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत आनी म्हाका दिसता परिस्थिती तशी आशिल्ली जेन्ना कोण प्रेशर घालता की आपल्याक ट्रिटमेंट दिवंक ना, देन बट नॅचरल बिकॉज आय एम अकाउंटेबल टू द इन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड आय हॅव नॉट सस्पेंडेड द डॉक्टर. देर इज अ मिथ अबाउट सस्पेन्शन, देर इज नो क्वेश्चन. आयज एक लक्षांत तुमी घेवंक जाय की डॉक्टर आमकां जाय आनी डॉक्टराक सांबाळपाचें काम हांवें करपाक जाय. हांवें सांगलें म्हणून हांवें गरज ना हांवें तें करपाक जाय म्हणून. आयज कोणाच्या पोटार पांय दवरपाची म्हाका इच्छा ना. हांव 70 गेले इतल्या वर्सां, पूण म्हाका इंट्रस्ट ना.